My AI experience with my fear-based aggressive dog, Marley. What did you learn from Operation Asha? I learned that Operation Asha is combating TB in India with a different approach using measurement and low cost. TB is highly contagious and just one person can infect 12, and those 12 can infect 12 more. What is the situation you are aiming to improve? I am aiming to improve my dog Marley's fear-based aggression towards other animals before our baby is born in March 2022. With whom did you work and why? I worked with my partner on this issue due to Marley being both of our dog, and it is as important to both of us to improve his aggression. What action steps did you plan to take to conduct your experiment? We scheduled a private training session with a dog trainer to learn the basics and where to start our journey with Marley. What are your measures of success? Well, Marley mostly stopped barking at humans, still needs improvement with small humans, aka children, has been listening when told to stop barking at other animals most of the time, still needs tremendous improvement. Our execution? We attended a private training session with a professional trainer, implemented training techniques that were taught to us by the trainer. What happened was we were able to learn correction techniques and bought new training tools that consisted of a martingale collar and a 6-foot leather leash. We learned that the techniques taught to us are not as easy as we thought to implement, and were surprised that Marley seemed to have been worse after the session. The reason why is because the trainer brought in other dogs, and since that is Marley's trigger, it seemed to have made things worse. We plan to use appreciation for praise and direct him with treats rather than just correcting in the future sessions. What are 1 to 2 insights that we learned about AI? Well, focusing on strengths rather than weaknesses creates more success. And it's also more fun to focus on strengths rather than weaknesses. What are 1 to 2 ideas that I would like to implement AI in the future? I'd like to find Marley's favorite, most motivating traits to direct him when he sees another animal. Focus on Marley's love for attention and use that to our advantage while out in public. What is our desired outcome for using the 4D process in the future? Our desired outcome is that whenever we are in the car or out in public, that Marley does not react negatively to another animal or human by using lots of praise and treats. Thank you.